stop scrolling. If you have been confused between break of structure and change of character, this is why you are losing trades without even realizing it. Most traders miss one simple market signal and it costs them every single time. In the next minutes, I'm going to review the exact secret professional traders use to spot the change of character and break of structure, so you can start reading the market like a professional and stop being liquidity. And don't forget, I will teach you guys a secret between break of structure and change of character at the end of this video. So make sure you stick to the end of this video. Now, let's dive in. So now, let's know the difference between a break of structure and a change of character. A break of structure is a continuation of a trend, while a change of character is a reversal of an uptrend back to a downtrend. Now let's map out our break of structures in this chart and also our change of character in this chart. So let's start from here. We have a high here, we have a high here, we also have a high here. So now let's map out our break of structure. So this right here is a clear break of structure. Market breaking above this high. You see, price breaking above this high is a clear break of structure, and a break of structure is a trend continuation. Price is in an uptrend. Price breaking this structure is signifying to us that price is still in an uptrend. So now let's map out another break of structure with this high right here. So let's map out another break of structure. So now right here, this is where we have another break of structure right here. Price breaking above this high right here. So this is a valid break of structure. If you take, once price breaks structure, price continues east trend. Once price breaks structure, price continues east trend. So now we also have another break of structure right here. Let's still map it out. This one here. So what am I doing? I'm trying to show you guys the difference between a break of structure and a change of character. So now look, price also broke above this, which is also a clear break of structure, and price is also continuing east trend. If you check, whenever price breaks structure, price continues east trend. Whenever price breaks structure, price continues east trend. Now let's look at another break of structure. This is another break of structure right here. This is a clear break of structure. Price broke above it. Price continues east trend. So now let's look at another break of structure right here also. Look at this. This is another clear break of structure. If we check, we have like 5 break of structures in this uptrend, showing you that price is in an uptrend. Okay, so now let's look at what happened here. Price came here. Price didn't break this structure. Price came here and broke the low that created this high, which signifies a change of character, a change of the trend. Now this signifies that price have changed from an uptrend, which we saw here, now to a downtrend. So now this is a valid change of character. Now let's map it out. So this right here is a valid change of character. Price broke below the recent low, giving us a clear change of character. And we said something about break of structure and change of character. That break of structure is the continuation of the price movement, and change of character is the change of a structure or a trend. Price have now changed from this upward movement to a downward movement. So now let's look at what happened when price give us a change of character. Now look, price started giving us a lower high and a lower low. Now that we have a change of character, now our break of structure can now continue. So once price gives you a change of character, the next thing price will give you is a break of structure. So now this is a break of structure. Price gives change of character once. Take note. Once it gives that change of character, the next thing that follows is break of structure. Okay? So now this is a break of structure in this downtrend movement. And this was a break of structure in this upward movement. Now that we are in a downtrend and price changed the price movement here. So we are now having our downtrend break of structure. Price broke below this, showing us that clearly that price is now fully in the downtrend movement. So now what else happened? Price also give us another break of structure right here. Price still give us another break of structure right here. You see? And keep moving to a downward direction. So guys, look at this example. Price was giving us a bullish movement right here, and what happened here? Price then start giving us a bearish movement. So let's check out what's happened right here. So pay attention. So look at what price gave us right here. Price gave us the first break of structure right here. This is the clear break of structure. Clear break of structure, and price also give us another break of structure right here, and also give us another break of structure. So this break of structure right here is telling us that price is in a trending form. Price is in a bullish trend. Once you keep seeing a bullish break of structure like this, it's telling you that price is in a bullish structure. So now let's look at what happened here. Price still gave us another break of structure. So price failed to give us a break of structure of this high right here. What happened? Price gave us a change of character. Now let's map out our change of character. So this is where the change of character happened. You see, price broke the recent low, giving us a change of character right here. You see, price gave us this change of character. Price was in a bullish trend right here, and later gave us a change of character. So price gave us a change of character. What happened? We now start seeing a bearish movement. So after this low, what happened? Price came here and gave us a change of character. So after this change of character that happened right here, so what happened? Price started moving all the way to the upside. You see, price started giving us a break of structure like this one we see here. This is now a break of structure, a clear break of structure. You also have another clear break of structure right here. This is also a clear break of structure, and that's how price changed a downtrend movement, which was this, back to an uptrend movement. So guys, this is all about change of character and break of structure, and with this you can easily differentiate between a change of character and a break of structure. So make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, and make sure you share this video so that others can learn how to use change of character and break of structure.